am Vanessa Pescosolido and I'm here with the Dormer Pramet president, Stefan Steenstrup. Hello Stefan, thank you for joining us today. It has been a year since you've been president of Dormer Pramet. How has the last 12 months been for you? And what are your expectations for 2018?
I've really enjoyed my first year as president. I've had the opportunity to travel around, meet a lot of our people and a lot of our customers. When traveling, you get to see many different viewpoints and market needs, but there's one thing that's in common, and that's the passion for Dormer Pramet. Every day, we're building and developing relationships with our customers, growing their trust and proving our expertise. Yes, this is backed up by our high-quality products, easily accessible services and great market conditions, but it's really that personal service that we do every day that makes the difference. Looking ahead to 2018, it's great to see growth in such markets as USA, Brazil and China, which provides a lot of optimism for the future. We're very pleased with the development of the sales of round tools and indexables around the world, with a lot of interest for our solid carbide milling and drilling ranges and turning inserts as well. We're a relatively new organization, but in the last 12 months we've proven that by working together as one team with clear objectives in front of us, we can achieve great things for our company, but especially for the customers. Thank you very much for your continued support in Dormer Pramet.
Thank you, Stefan, for your time.